Good evening, everyone. My name is Yang. Today I'm going to give a story on Peppa Pig, Pedro's calf. It is a school day. Peppa and her friends are having a music lesson. Miss Polly has a story. Sorry, Madam Gazelle. Oh dear, Pedro has a cough. Don't worry, I will ring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear speaking. Hello, doctor, this is Madam Gazelle. A child is ill. Don't panic, I will come straight away. What seems to be the problem? I got a cough. I see. It's a tickly cough or chesty cough. I don't know, but it goes like this. And when did you get this cough? When Madam Gazelle starts singing. It's nothing serious, but Pedro's cough may be catching. What do you mean, catching? When one person has a cough, sometimes other people get that cough too. Do I need medicine? Just a little spoonful. I'm afraid it doesn't taste very nice. It tastes like an old juice full of jam. Thank you, Dr. Brown Bear. Goodbye, bye. As I saw, Pedro's cough is catching. Danny Dog and Susie Sheep have catching Pedro's cough. Open wide. It takes of cup flavored yogurt. It takes of flowers. Well done for taking your medicine so well. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? No, Peppa, I'm never ill. I eat an apple a day. Goodbye, bye. It is home time. Peppa, the children parents are here to pick them up. Mommy, Daddy, I have got cough. Dr. Brown Bear came to look after us. He have us horrible medicine. Madam Gazelle, can you sing your song now? Of course, Peppa. Ooh, Miss Polly has a story who was. Oh dear, a grown-up have got Pedro's cough. Dr. Brown Bear speaking is Peppa Pig. All the grown-ups are ill. Don't worry, Peppa, I'm on my way. Not to worry, Peppa, I'm on my way. Hello, everyone. Cut Pedro's cough, have we? Very well. Stand in a line and open wide. It tastes like custard and oh shucks! Thank you for your looking after us, Dr. Brown Bear. Who looks after you when you are ill? No one's looked after me. I'm never ill. Oh dear, Dr. Brown Bear has cut Pedro's cough. Don't worry. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Poor Dr. Brown Bear. He is ill and there is no one to look after him. Oh. Who can that be? Hello, we have come to look after you. Here is some fruit and some cushion. And here is your medicine. It tastes like jammy yogurt flavored and custard sucks. And there's a song to make you feel better. Ooh, oink. Picture hunt. Find this or in this book. Cough, telephone, medicine, doctor, ear, fruit. C is for car. Good.